The number one question I always get is, who cuts your hair? I do. I literally do it straight from home, and I'm about to teach you how I actually do it. Now, what you'll need is a ring light, a barber kit, like so, and most importantly, 2 mirrors, because how else are you gonna look at the back of your head? Anyways, let's get started. Now, something to note is you really want to position that mirror perfectly in order for you to work comfortably, so keep that in mind. All right, so what I usually do is I have some duct tape right here, and I usually just stick the mirror onto the ring light from the back. You literally just have to focus on how you angle it and you'll be freaking spot on. Now all you got to worry about is completing the haircut and you'll be good. So
alright, now let's dive into our self-cut. First up, make sure you've moistened up your hair in section 2 equal partings throughout the parietal ridge area. Use clips to hold away the top portion of your hair, that way it doesn't interfere while you're blending. Now you want to create your first baseline all around the head. I'm going for a mid drop, which means we have to leave the occipital area a bit darker by dropping it a tad. I'd say one of the hardest details about going in for a self-cut is getting used to the movement. Personally, I find it best to stick with using your dominant hand and work around with it. Now you want to remove everything underneath using your trimmer of choice. Next, with your preferred clipper, create a full inch guideline all around. Aim at shadowing the shape of the baseline for this step. Using the number 2 guard open, move up a full inch and a half. You may use your comb to feed hair into your clipper. Notice how I do swerve away from the darker portion of our blend. You want to stay away from digging in. With your number 4 open, move up another full inch. If you happen to have darker coarse hair, you may need the number in between, which is the number 3, because that type of hair tends to leave more trace marks or harsh lines. Next, use a half guard fully open to create a full inch guideline. And using the number 1 guard open, just move up half an inch right above. Alright, now slap on the 1.5 with the lever open and move up another half inch. Again, make sure you're not digging in and be very cautious when moving up. sometimes you may have to come back to certain guards if you feel like you've missed a spot or two. Guys, I did see that I had too much bulk towards the parietal ridge area, so I knocked some tips down using freehand. This is a pretty risky method to use, so if you're not confident with your clippers, don't stress out. You can use your higher numbers like an 8 to pass it through. Finally, with your lever closed, no guard, slowly hit and flick out that baseline. Stay away from using the entire blade on the scalp. Alright, now you want to open the lever back up just one notch and move up slightly. Little to nothing if I'm being honest. And again, opening up that lever and repeating until we meet at a full lever open. Next, with your preferred shaver, shave out all the excess stubble left from the trimmer. Remember, you want to apply less pressure when reaching the existing baseline area. The other side is the exact same thing. In this case, I focus on doing one side first for demonstration purposes only, but I really suggest doing each step all around the head as you go. Guys, I do want to take time to say I'm extremely appreciative of everyone who takes time to not only study the game, but support this channel. It's truly motivating to see how many of you guys get better with these uploads, so thank you all for the consistent good comments and love. Also, if you happen to have any questions, drop them down in the comment section, or if you see the answer to a question someone might have, help them out. That's what we're here for. If you guys like these translucent guards I simply use in every video, check them out for yourself at MartyBlendz.com. We've got every color you could possibly think of, so go grab your favorite. If you happen to buy anything Babyless, be sure to use Marty10 to save a bunch. Be sure to add in all details necessary. Remember, you don't learn how to perfect the self-cut within the first try. Throughout consistent practice, you will become faster with timing and improving skill. I now scissor and clip over comb to get minor touches throughout the dark portion of our blend. To top it all off, use your preferred clay and work it in according to the desired hairstyle. As for a beard, make sure you work slowly with your razor and be very careful. The lower neck area is fairly simple, just lean your head back a bit and tilt down and aim at getting a nice straight line contour to your jaw. Shave down all the stubble and you should be good to go. And here you guys have it, a full cut straight from home. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz and I'm out. Peace.